In today's video, I'll show you how to find the best areas to flip houses. Coming up next. When flipping houses, you always want to keep the end buyer in mind, not only with the rehab aesthetics, but also with the area you choose for your flip. Let's look at some ways to find the best area for your next flip. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe Homs. I have over 40 years of experience as a broker, mentor, and investor. I made this channel for the new and experienced investor, those who want to live the life they've always wanted through real estate. First way is to get advice from a real estate agent. And I'm not talking about any real estate agent. I'm talking about a real estate agent with experience with flipping homes. There's quite a few of us out there. Those are the type of agents that you need to seek out and learn what they're doing. Hopefully they can share as much as they know with you. Obviously, along the way, they're going to help you. You're going to buy something. They're going to earn a commission. They may even go in on the deal with you. So that's a really great way to find some really good properties. Number two, find out where other investors are flipping. Easiest way to do that is run a title search on a particular area, and you'll be able to see people that are flipping in LLCs, trusts. You'll see people that are buying properties. 3 months later, it's being sold again. So those are properties that a title company or a title rep can search for you and give you that information. So that now you know who's flipping in that particular area. The next step is to go seek them and find out if they're willing to help you, or vice versa, you can help them. Kind of a value add. Number three, look for up and coming areas in town. I remember back in 2008, we hit bottom in the real estate market, and there was this one investor, and he was purchasing homes at the courthouse steps. He was buying everything around Anaheim, and he was turning them into Airbnbs. You can imagine today how much money he has in those properties and how much money he's made into Airbnbs. So information is power. So if you have something going on in your community that nobody else knows about, maybe there's a large employer coming into your neighborhood, or you know that there is, that's a great opportunity to start buying up houses in that area, whether to buy and hold or even to flip in that area. So having that firsthand knowledge information is a great way to find properties. Location is a big factor when it comes to flipping properties. Working in the right area will allow you to find better properties that will give you a chance at a much bigger profit when it comes time to sell. If you want to see a flip that I did in a great area, click on this video right here. The ARV went from 900 to 1.2 million in a matter of months. If you need any more help finding the best areas to flip, feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help.